Welcome to the Political Rounds with me, the voice right here on Ghana and 7TVGH. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notifications so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. I brought a friend, Twene Jonas, on the NDC. There is a major war going on.
You know, I'm to Ghana, woman say, Twene Jonas, Uniminado, Quasiado, ba. Unkoni easy, Mefa Yawama, wow, mammy crack, and so on.
Hey, Raddy. Yeah, there's a major war going on, and now some of the words, some of the things that are coming out, revelations, be a banyinano. Some way, sometimes no. Anka, left to me alone, I alone. There are certain things that should not be pampered or should not be accepted in our body politics. Say, yeah, politics are, and some people why what's saying can in all those things, but. NDC over the period actually say a ban of politics and so they don't believe in playing by any rules. I did back NDC form pay pa everything say a warrior semu say a wujuma semu say wapomu din whatever the issue is, they will use it against you. They don't care. They don't care how you feel about it. They don't care how your family will feel about it. Now, Twene Jonas say Ibrahim Mahama.
Uni, enti kwasiani ye memasem o meba New York. What you say? Kem tell abuan jo mama no ban ni sikase o mere o memasem no na mud gusu more fire. We trust you. O de nebeba. What you say? 24 hours me fly no ako New York na makotwa plane ticket na makukuru Twene Jonas esika plane mu de na ko Ghana no. Na mudi akire ena mo boje no so enti na afi no me strike yo mo back a oti wona ade kwase ate wona wusu aboa o mo jo mama no onye kwase ya no nim nyansa hwan ne tiga na o nim tete Twene Jonas ye big o nim na ade kwase akoka na wawu hwan ne nim ti afi no me de mo back to back a kwase ade enti na ade jimi abetena wa wusu odwan o tiga na o nim se obi ne kwase abopa afa ha me de be hia no obi anim enti I na mudi Jimmy Abetna Twene didn't mention your name and you don't stop dealing with your mama. Debbie, me your mama on to 70 on the opposition. Next time baby on far kwasi out and some more be a man in fact the Jimmy me bo empty threat in far. So what I say? Enti normal obi o ni mi yansa bi enim say o your mama ne aboa o kwasi empanyi oni kevinte ane ni nyina Ibrahim mama ni no mo yamwa because what you wanna pass the most powerful obi onukura the master of the game na say also pass obey that kobo pafa who is scam will be chen why did the amaji be chen and I mean
yeah or man penny ni brother no or yes some underground dealings. I can't confirm that, as I said, allegation me the bremo from the camp of Twene Jonas. Now Twene Jonas also or a very very loud mouth power. A part of the guys are they've called themselves some kingmakers. Now as I say, Twene Jonas believes say NDC ni John Mahama and the others no omako ball man I friend Kevin Taylor passe Kevin Taylor onko hwehwe no onu Twene Jonas for New York City one. Now on make sure say I deport something like that. And the Twene Jonas stay as no say na me my boy me say my boy mama baba mu no after mudi mu say fu bremi so and yeah say sadia dem muso yen na ye be share. And we more details are coming. Or see sana Kevin Taylor or me or your nanny. Say Kevin Taylor nanny or your daycare money bao basement honum na nire ni who na Kevin ako take you over. And anything wrong or bad by the way, but just say na I call your politics now. Sure, I can win na AyEka sing. Win na AyEka sing. Anka win ya sema I say AyEka kra but and this is for now much say much ejuma no. And the more mu here no. Yeah the be reporting mamo. And let's see how it turns out. Hoping that issues be say your moon solving. Me about to say they me person solving.
Me control social media. I mean I'm control Ghana no. The American na here juma. And I me demo top we. I be kakra no first no mubu Ibrahim Mahama ebe kakra no bia hu se si a me dia betum se cocaine no deal no ene ebe kakra bia nim se cocaine no deal me dia betum se illegal mining ene oye no ebe kakra bia be hu se illegal no oye wa mfa ne kwasia ammo Kevin Taylor boy pa ammo ama me di matem amedwana num so de me ba Ghana nka ebe de na Ghana fo abeka kire se Ibrahim Mahama illegal mining enti se okobo pa nkofo de o mo ani o mo nam na de information be breme na ma ba kire ma Ghana fo enti next time to ba bia mu nyina mu nim se obi nkobo pa fa ha enko free mu nyina mu nim ena mu nim se Kevin Taylor onye obi a o memani siwa ena mu nim se John Mahama na he is nobody enti obetena obedwa nanum se obe deport Twene Jonas na fe me smash back se omra me deport metia me fire omo back oti wona Jimmy na wusuma John Mahama kwase ya mi wai mu nim nyansa nka mo bo pa na akwa ne ti wo ye me masam na se mo friend se masa ko delete video no na nko vara ma nyansa friend na mo delete video no na video na ko vara na me da ona nko for friend me se Kevin Taylor abuano dey esi obeba ya be yosi na mte boys gum no mko ni nam Virginia Washington wan no mko hu ba bi ote so ati asenti kame twen so de ni Jimmy be botret mama boys akwa kura da moto no hye no akwa akopa pai na no but usuro mi 20 ma forward enti ansa na mi hu se sa nani no oye babysitter he's nobody channel what the yemfa example Africa leaders nyina yem one of majime no wow but Burkina Faso leader don't get me wrong o nyina eku malini ade ade nyina o ma eku Burkina Faso leader no no nim nyansa na ono hu nyansa ono aye gold refining oil refining woni krom wa pama brofo nyina ma obi akoni krom China fo ne France fo ne ya ono atu ni gold store o tu ni oil store no or the price atoso wa pe bia betobi no bro ni suro no ene waji din o wi ase nyina
then sense o solve more and more feel abeba day after day and the more they feel less bad there when say Ghana TVGH so there disappoint any political feel abia the bremo so the beef between Twene Jonas, Ibrahim Mahama, John Mahama, Kevin Taylor and NDC continues. More update to come soon. See you in the next one. This has been the Political Round with me, The Voice. Bye-bye. Cheers.
Or spray cash. Emma agrada na agrada eka se lawyer na de nyina ma me na day na agrada de ketere ma fa lawyer se mi je no say ships kan nyina fi lawyer zem preview na sabra but yes ato ntem de di kan ebrebe na Ghana bedru se wona ma US dollars ene wo se wudi baby o man Ghana ye dru na ye ni abre ye Ghana sikasem asai na waban baaye akwa akodru se sikasem no ekofam kakra amafo ye jandam se US dollar no Trump on talk entia but ye hwehwemu no Canadian dollar so drop it euro drop it a whole pound air drop it dina chesa aban no bo adwuma na so demonstration e wa grada so no kire se Ghana city no kra ye wura dollars and also Ghana ni a wo kwa yi na akọ baabi no wo di gu botom ifa me se afi na me wura ho pa lawyer me serew me de I still respect you as obia party no wo opening dibre last time bi ya na me free outside eba me no nyina fa plane e wo Dubai wo hu ahobrase ne obu a me de be koto wanim because why ye adwuma you respected that and you know the best one say Emma way e be into obiem every time a woman grada sika no hwe voices na ejina ho ya won mu efro lawyer sankrofo we na hie sika enya grada